Welcome everyone in Crystal Vibes. In this video we will be learning how can we make this flat dog illustration in Adobe Illustrator. So here we are in Adobe Illustrator 2021. To make this, first make sure your stroke is off. By clicking this icon you can off your strokes. Now we will select a random color. Let us select this yellow color. Now we will take this ellipse tool and by pressing Alt and Shift we will make a circle over here. This is looking fine for me. Now we will take direct selection tool and we will select this point. By selecting this point, you can see this circle over here. We will drag this to make it curve like this. Now I have selected selection tool and by clicking on it, by pressing Alt and dragging, we can make copy of this. So here I have made another copy. So we can just adjust this as we want. Now by selecting selection tool, right click it and you will get the option of arrange and send it to back. We can change the color of this by eyedrop tool and it becomes yellowish. This is looking fine for me. Alright, to make eyes, take this ellipse tool and we will make the eyes here. We can fill it by black color. We will take rectangle tool and we will draw rectangle over here. We can color it by eyedrop tool. Now the face of the dog is totally completed. Now to make the body, we will select the yellow color. Okay. Now we will take this rectangle tool and we will make rectangle like this. Now we will have this direct selection tool. Make a point here. We will click to this point. We will get this circle. Now we will press shift and click it here. We are getting these two circles. Now we will drag it. Now we will take the selection tool. By pressing Alt, we will make a duplicate copy of this. We will select both of this. We will have this shape builder tool and by pressing Alt and dragging like this, we will cut this part. Now we will select this part and we will change the color. This is totally fine for me. Now it's time to make legs. To make legs, we will have this rectangle tool. Now to select same color as body, we can use this eyedropper tool. Just click it and now the yellow color is being selected. Now we will take this rectangle tool and drag it over like this. Now we will have this direct selection tool. Now we will click it to this point and we will get this circle. We can curve to this by dragging the circle. Now again we will make another rectangle. Now to make foot for this dog, we will have this ellipse tools. By pressing Alt and Shift, we will drag and we will get the perfect circle. To cut it, we will have this rectangle tool. Then by shape builder, we will cut this. We can change the color of this. I am putting here black. Now we will rotate this in this way and we will place it here. Now by selecting this, pressing shift and selecting this and this. By selecting all of this, we will press Ctrl G to group all this and we will press Alt and drag it like this to make a duplicate copy. We will make it small and we will change the color. So here we have completed the another leg of the dog. Now again repeat the same steps. We will make a rectangle in this way. We can do here Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste in front. Now by taking Alt and Shift simultaneously, we can resize it. Let us make somewhat larger. Then selecting direct selection tool, clicking to this point, getting the circle and making curve. Now by taking selection tool, we will click on this and we will ungroup it. We will just click to this black half semicircle and pressing Alt and making a duplicate copy and placing it here. By right click, arrange and bring it to front. This will come to front. Now by selecting all of this, we will press Alt and make a duplicate copy. Right click, arrange and send it to back. We can change the color obviously. Now our dog is almost completed. Now it's time to make the tail. To make tail, we'll have this rectangle tool. Drag it over like this. Change the color. Now we will make another rectangle. Now having direct selection tool, pressing to this point, getting the circle and making curve it again. Now by selecting all of this, we will send it to back. Arrange and send it to back. Now the dog illustration is almost completed. To give the finishing touch, we will add some shading to it. Now follow this step to add the shadings. So here you can see we have successfully created our dog illustration. To learn more tutorials like this, you can subscribe to Crystal Vibe. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask in the comment section. I will be happy to answer you all.